So that's working with graphics. A lot of things, I would say it's just a matter of going in there playing around with it. The thing that I think is kind of the neatest, starting with PowerPoint 2010, is this ability to use PowerPoint to create videos. And what's nice about that is, and you can see here, let's get my pointer here. If you look here, you've got this ability right here to save PowerPoint as a WMV file. And then you can adjust the settings. You want a higher quality, lower quality settings. And what's really cool about that is everything that you have, the narration you have in your PowerPoint file, the transitions, the animations, the timing, all those things that you do. Now this is in PowerPoint, not if you're using like a PowerPoint to Flash tool like Articulate Presenter. So this is just in PowerPoint. So all those things that you have in PowerPoint, you can save out as a video, and they're all retained. And then you can create a really nice video file with that. So some of the things that you can do, I'll show you here in a second. A couple things I want to point out before we do that. Then you have the video, which is WMV, and WMV doesn't always play everywhere. So if you want to convert those, here are two options that you have. Handbrake is one free product, and I've got the link available to you. You can download that. And I'm not an expert at Handbrake, so I wanted to create a video and play it on my iPad. And they actually have just an iPad setting, so I just converted the video using their setting. But they'll convert the WMV to MP4, and then you can use that in more applications than just the WMV file. And then there's Format Factory, which is another free application, and what that does is that allows you to convert it to multiple formats, so not just MP4. So there's all sorts of formats that you can convert to. So those are two free tools. I would definitely, if I was going to create PowerPoint slides and convert, or presentations and convert them to video, I'd look at them at that point converting them to MP4 files, because they'll give you a lot more options in using the video. So let's look at a few things. One is when you bring video in, it's not just a matter of bringing videos onto the slide. You can bring videos into your PowerPoint presentation, and then you can start editing the video. So you can do a little bit of trimming. You can see in these images here, these screenshots, these are just formatting options for video that you bring in. Now this is what's neat about it. I can bring a video into a slide, and then I could save that video, the presentation, as a video. And so essentially I get video inside of video. So a lot of really neat possibilities with that. But you've got some basic video editing capabilities. You can bring video into the video. You can set markers and then trigger things to come in and out based on the timeline of the video. So a lot of really neat things you can do with that. And if you look at the link here, I've got a series of tutorials that kind of talk about some of the videos, so you can get into that in more detail.